Hey, content creators! Today, I'm diving into the top YouTube SEO ranking tips for 2025. If you want to optimize your videos for search and reach a wider audience, keep watching. First up, let's talk about keywords. Keywords are still king. In 2025, you need to be even more strategic with them. Make sure your primary keyword is in your video title, description, and tags. But don't stop there. Use related keywords to help YouTube understand the context of your content. Next, thumbnails. Thumbnails are crucial for your click-through rate, or CTR. A high CTR signals to YouTube that your content is valuable. Design eye-catching thumbnails that stand out and make sure they're relevant to your video content. Avoid clickbait. It can hurt your channel in the long run. Now, let's move to watch time. Watch time is a significant ranking factor. The longer viewers watch your videos, the better they'll rank. Create engaging content that hooks viewers from the start and keeps them watching till the end. Use storytelling, intriguing visuals, and dynamic editing to maintain interest. Another tip, engagement. Engagement metrics like likes, comments, and shares are vital. Encourage your viewers to interact with your content. Ask questions, run polls, and create a community around your channel. The more engagement you get, the more YouTube will push your videos. Don't forget about consistency. Posting regularly can help you build an audience and improve your ranking. YouTube's algorithm favors channels that upload frequently and consistently. Plan a content schedule and stick to it. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, consistency is key. Let's not overlook video quality. High-quality videos are more likely to be recommended by YouTube. Invest in good equipment, learn the basics of lighting and sound, and edit your videos to make them professional and polished. Lastly, end screens and cards. Use these features to keep viewers on your channel. Direct them to other videos, playlists, or encourage them to subscribe. This helps increase your overall watch time and keeps viewers engaged with your content. So, those are your essential YouTube SEO ranking tips for 2025. Implement these strategies to optimize your videos, reach a wider audience, and grow your channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Catch you in the next video.